Good afternoon. This is the 3rd of October 2011, and this is the third in a series of videos of the Maserati 3500 GT number 708. And we're looking at the original service manual here, which came with the car. This is the use and maintenance manual, and inside is all the information. And over here on the left hand side is the service notes that the owner entered, and you can see here it goes back to 13,000 miles, and it includes, I would imagine, every service of the car from back in the early 60s up to the latest entry, which would have been at May 15th, 1978. You can read that there. May 15th, 1978 at 36,650 miles. Of course, he changed oil and filter, changed spark plugs, did a lot of servicing. But that's the use and maintenance manual for the car. And then over here is the spare parts book that came new with the car. And of course has this exploded diagrams of, you know, all the various parts of the car that most of you know about. And behind these parts books we have the original toolkit. This toolkit is indicated on the sales documents when the car was purchased new, and was also indicated on the bill of sale when Mr. Mitchell bought it from the good doctor's wife. So in this particular toolkit, which came with the car, you can see that inside is gray, and it's equipped with a hammer and a pair of pliers and what you and I would call a crescent wrench, and then there's a spark plug tool, and then all the various spanners. And this one is there's a 22 and a 25, 17. And over here we even have the carburetor, the Weber tool. Very complete toolkit. It's, I think, the most original 3500 toolkit that I personally have ever seen. Let's close up the toolkit and have a look at the trunk. Sorry for all the movement around of the camera here, but it's hard to do with one hand and nobody helping me. You can see the trunk here has this plastic quilted liner that's heat pressed. I wish somebody would reproduce this stuff. It would be an instant hit. There's the battery cover, and you can see the original aluminum fastener there. There's two of them. And you can see the quilting that takes place. It's all heat sensitive. This color is kind of an off-white. The other color I've seen is a silver. A very, very original, complete trunk. Let's have a look underneath here. So we just kind of flip this up, and then I'm going to use my other hand. So we put a support over here. Okay, and then back underneath here we have the original spare tire that came with the car. Over on this side we have the tool. There's the lug wrench. And we have a jack. There's the jack pouch that has the jack inside of it. You can see that. And over here is the little piece that goes against the body when you jack up the car. We'd call it a jack stabilizer. We'll set that over there. And we'll put the jack over here as well. And let's see if we can take the spare tire out. Sorry to jiggle the camera so much. Let's see what we can do here. Oh yeah. Okay, there's the original spare tire. Not much to look at this side. I think it's aged to the point where it's kind of green now. You can see the bottom of the trunk has a kind of a felt lining on it. There's the gas tank back there. This is a Pirelli Super Sport 650/16. Looks like an HS337. A Pirelli Super Sport HS337. And if you look in the parts manual, you'll see that it matches that tire exactly. So that was the original tire shipped with the car. So let's go ahead and close this up. And there you have the trunk of the 3500 GT. From Seattle, Washington, this is Frank Mandarano saying ciao